This protocol is significant because it provides the complete procedure for creating droplets from the lipid film to lipid solution to microbubbles and then to droplets. The main advantage of this technique is the simplicity for condensing microbubbles into droplets. Just by cooling and swirling, droplets can be made without the need for pressurization. A visual demonstration is critical because a simple test to see if the microbubbles have been successfully condensed is by visually checking the change in translucency. Demonstrating the procedure will be Kimoon Yu, a master's student in the Zheng laboratory. Using a decapper, remove the aluminum seal on the serum vial and transfer 1 ml of the lipid solution to a 1.85 ml borosilicate glass sample vial with a phenolic screw cap by letting the lipid solution flow down the interior wall without creating bubbles. With the 1.85 ml sample vial, prepare to flow in decafluorobutane gas into the sample vial headspace using the gas exchanger. Ensure that all the valves on the gas exchanger are properly closed and the pump is turned off. Open the manifold valve and carefully unsheath the corresponding needle from the manifold. Open pressure valve A and pressure valve B, and turn the gas cylinder valve approximately 1/16 to 1/8 counterclockwise to partially open it. Open the T-handle valve and uncap the sample vial with the lipid solution. Place the manifold needle above the vial's liquid-air interface. Slowly turn the air regulator valve clockwise until the air regulator gauge needle moves slightly from its resting position, and let the perfluorocarbon gas gently